There's a lot of water on Earth, but 97% of it cannot be consumed. So, how do we obtain drinking water? Seawater is one source, but we have to treat it first, as it is too salty for us to drink. How can we obtain drinking water from seawater? Sailors in the past used distillation, but no one knows for sure when distillation was discovered. The theory of this technique is widely attributed to ancient Greek philosopher and scientist Aristotle in 300 BC. He found that seawater turned to vapor when heated, but the vapor, when condensed, forms drinking water. Distillation is a technique used to separate a pure liquid from a solid liquid or liquid-liquid mixture. The two main processes involved in distillation are boiling and condensation. While distillation can be used to obtain drinking water from seawater, Singapore does not use this technique as it uses a lot of energy and hence is too costly. So, what process do we use? Let's find out more from an engineer from PUB. I'm here at Tuas Desalination Plant with Miss Lee from PUB. Miss Lee, can you tell us more?
Of course. Desalinated water is one of Singapore's 4 national taps, the others being water from local catchment, imported water, and new water. In desalination, seawater entering the plant first passes through screens which remove large impurities. The water then passes through ultrafiltration membranes which remove microorganisms.
The screens and the ultrafiltration membranes in this plant work much like this filter paper. Water is allowed to flow through the small pores, while the larger, insoluble solids are trapped. As you can see, filtration is a technique used to separate insoluble solid from a liquid in a liquid-solid mixture.
After filtration, the water in the desalination plant goes through reverse osmosis. The water is pumped at high pressure through membranes. Only very small molecules like water molecules can pass through. Even dissolved salts cannot pass through the membranes.
Then finally, minerals are added back into the water, and the water now meets World Health Organization standards for drinking water. Singapore turned to desalination after advances in technology made it viable. This achievement was made possible thanks to our engineers.
In all aspects of a project, engineers take into account factors like efficiency, cost, reliability, and quality to come up with the best solution possible.
So the next time you drink a glass of water, think about how science and technology made it possible.
Cheers to that!